Let's install your Atria DIY. This is a two-person job, so make sure you have a friend to help. Move your uncrated Atria to your install location. Next, you'll need a 7/16 ratchet and socket, either a manual version or one that fits your power drill, a large pry bar, and the contents of the envelope you received with your order. The envelope contains long screws and the finest drill bit available, a Robertson. Around the outside edge of the Atria panel, you will notice pre-drilled pilot holes. Remember these, they're really important for later. Using your ratchet and socket, remove all the bolts from the front panel and set them aside. You'll need those later too. With your partner, remove the insulated front panel and set it aside for later. While still on the pallet, tilt your Atria and then use a couple pieces of wood to position it. Open the Atria completely and remove the inner screen doors, brood chambers, dividers, and all the frames. This ensures that the body of the Atria hive is as light as possible for lifting and positioning in the next steps. It's time to change the tool on your drill to the included Robertson drill bit. Bring your drill and the included screws from your package to the front of your bee house. Now, together with your partner, bring the front panel to the outside of the bee house. Lift it to the ledge of the pre-made window. One partner will hold the panel in place, ensuring it's centered in the opening. Now, this next part is totally optional, but you can spray foam any cracks in between the panel and the frame. Just make sure to trim them flat when dry. Remember those pilot holes we pointed out around the edge? Now it's time to use them. With the screws provided and your Robertson screwdriver, attach the panel to the frame. Don't worry, we provided a couple extra screws just in case. Now it's time to install the hives. Together with your partner, carry the hives to the window opening on the inside and position on the ledge. Once resting on the ledge, your partner just needs to apply a little gentle pressure to hold it in place, flat against the panel, while you secure it on the front. Retrieve the bolts you removed earlier and grab your pry bar. Insert your pry bar into the main bee entrance. Mike makes this part look really easy. Using your pry bar, position the Atria from the outside until the bolt holes on the panel align with the receiving holes on the hive. Pro tip, use the upper entrance as a visual guide for alignment. You'll be able to see when it's properly aligned. Insert all bolts and finger tighten. Finally, secure them with your ratchet. Snug is good. Do not over tighten. Once snug, your partner can relax. The hive is secure. Repeat this process with the other hive. You'll notice that your hives look like they're fully freestanding, and they really are. You can use the extra space below your hives to store your hive butler, extra frames, tools. It's your bee house to set up however you like. The last bit of magic is refilling your Atria with everything you removed and aligning it perfectly, because you can with your included frame spacer. Finally, you're ready to install your bees. We hope that you enjoy your Atria DIY as much as we enjoyed making this video.